सर्च करें अवामी न्यूज़। मुल्क भर की ताज़ा तरीन खबरों से बाखबर रहने के लिए सब्सक्राइब करें हमारे चैनल को और बेल आइकन ज़रूर दबाएं। कश्मीर मसला का हल बातचीत से हल होना चाहिए, ममता बनर्जी। गुज़रे रोज़ पार्लियामेंट के दोनों ऐवान में अचानक मरकज़ी वज़ीर दाखिला अमित शाह की जानिब से कश्मीर को दो हिस्सों में तकसीम किए जाने और उसका रियासती दर्जा ख़त्म करते हुए मरकज़ के मुत्तहद यूनिटी टेरिटरी बनाए जाने के ऐलान के बाद मगरबी बंगाल की वज़ीर आला ममता बनर्जी ने इस पर खुलकर अपनी बात रखते हुए गैर डेमोक्रेटिक करार देते हुए कहा कि मसला कश्मीर के हल के लिए ज़रूरी है कि हम वहाँ के अवाम से राब्ता बढ़ाते, वहाँ की इलाकाई सियासी जमात को अपनी एतमाद में लेकर काम करते। लेकिन जिस तरह से कश्मीर के दो साबिक वज़ीर आला को हिरासत में लिया गया है वो बिल्कुल ही जमहूरियत के ख़िलाफ़ है। हम इसकी मज़म्मत करते हैं।
What is going on from yesterday? I am also watching as a citizen of this country. We all are the patriotic people and we love our India, our motherland and our people like anything. And I firmly believe that Kashmiri people are also our brothers and sisters. I don't agree with the procedural method. I am not talking about the merit of the bill. I am talking about the procedural method where my party have taken a strong decision. We cannot support this bill and we cannot vote for this also. If we vote for this also, it will be recorded that we have ultimately, directly or indirectly, we accepted this. Because actually, constitutionally, legally, technically, it is not praiseworthy and it is not democratically what they have done. Yes, they should have discussed with the all political party meeting. They should have discussed the Kashmir, the local people also. They should have called even Kashmir, the meeting. They should have called the meeting. We were willing to go there. There we can decide it. Even we can talk to the people and we have to take into confidence to the people. Then we can decide this. Nothing is permanent for anybody. But sometimes if the permanent solution is to be taken, then there should be party, everybody, so that we have to take into confidence to the people. That we feel or we believe in. I am not discussing the merit. But procedure, of course, we are totally against of the procedure lapses. Number two, I don't have any information regarding senior leader like Farooq Abdullah ji, but we have seen in the paper or media that Mufti and Omar Abdullah, they have been arrested. I will request and appeal the government that they are also Kashmiri people, they are our brothers and sisters. They should not feel any isolation. They should feel that they are very much with the country and they are very much with the India. We all are together. I think Mehbooba and Umar and others who are the political personalities, actually they are not the terrorists. They should have released for the interest of the democratic institution and for the interest for the people. And let the message should go throughout the country. We love motherland. If anything comes related to motherland, we are all together. This is number one. Number two, nobody is isolated from the country and everybody we have to consider all are Indian citizens. All we cannot say any particular caste or creed or religion or any leader. We should not think that they will be isolated from any part. Let the message should go. Let us build up the confidence among the people so that they should not be scared. What is going on in Kashmir, what we have seen yesterday, just like curfew, the synagogue and the curfew and the other area. I think that we should not be panicking. We must restore the peace. We want peaceful negotiation and peaceful solution. There should not be any political commotion or the pollution.